All of the local animal shelters, the kill shelters, drop off animals here on her farm for her to raise. And she doesn't turn away any animals.
You know, like the crickets?
Yeah, she was, yeah.
Where is that cow?
I could have sworn I saw her eating those dried up dead palm fronds. That's what she's chewing right now. I think that's so weird. Look at they chewed up the palm fronds, the greens, as far as they can reach. So this is what the landscape is like at a Florida dairy. We got oak trees, palm trees, and the cows get to hang out in the woods all day. It's not a big green grassy field. It's kind of cool, different. Little pigs. No, they're gonna move. Little pigs in the road. See, they move. They ain't stupid. Aww.
Cute.
Look at those big, beautiful cow eyes.
Whoa, those are huge. They're huge.
They're all coming.
Look at the little...
It's a tiny horse. Goats.
I never petted a cow. What's your name? Ghost is trying to lick me. Cow. There's a cow. They're sitting everywhere here.
So the alpaca is a rescue. The farmer rescues other animals from kill shelters. She has cats and goats and one random alpaca with funny teeth and dogs and lambs.
Not housebroken, they dump it here. Not able to be tame enough to be a house pet, it's here. Feral, somewhat feral.
I could see. Wow, this is so beautiful. This is the farmer's rescue cat colony. This is Red.
Like minutes ago.
She's beautiful.
It's orangish red.
Yeah, she's beautiful.
Orange and
What else did the farmer say? The farmer says that all of the local animal shelters, the kill shelters, drop off animals here on her farm for her to raise. And she doesn't turn away any animals. She has kind of a sanctuary going on here. Trin, you saw all those animals. You had the alpaca, the donkey, the goats, the lamb, the bunnies. She just had a bunny dropped off.
Horses.
The horses. The dog, the cats, the dogs.
The cats.
Yeah, but I'm talking about the rescue animals. So she has this rescue thing going on. And yeah, that's kind of cool. I mean, she loves animals and she nurtures her animals. And these animals have the best life that they could possibly have.
Ew.
Why are you saying ew?
Ew.
What do you think about all those vultures eating the raccoon, Trin? The dead raccoon? Are you sad for the raccoon?
Yeah. I'm so sad at the raccoon.
Yeah, the raccoon died, but the vultures are cleaning him up. They eat dead animals.
What about those? Vultures.
Vultures.
Why aren't they eating?
guess they take turns.
They better be careful. They're the ones that should be careful.
Yeah,
In the road, right there.
yeah, they risk their lives to eat, to clean the streets.
Right on the side of the road. Those birds are like mini vampires. Mini bird vampires. They eat blood and everything. They eat the body. That's cool. But it's really sad too. It's really sad. They're eating a dead raccoon that got hit by a car.